Mechanical keyboards are built to last, but over time, keys may stop working or feel different. Today, we'll guide you through the process of diagnosing and repairing your mechanical keyboard safely. Before starting, unplug your keyboard and gather these tools: a keycap puller, switch puller, small screwdriver, tweezers, and electronic contact cleaner. Always work on a clean, static-free surface. Test all keys to locate the faulty one. Common issues include stuck keys, unresponsive switches, or broken stabilizers. Understanding the problem will guide your repair steps. Start by removing the keycaps using a keycap puller. Pull straight up to avoid damaging the switch stems. Place the keycaps in a container for safekeeping. Dust and debris often cause keys to stick or misfire. Use compressed air and a soft brush to clean around the switches. For light corrosion, use electronic contact cleaner. If a switch is defective, carefully desolder it using a soldering kit and remove it with a switch puller. Replace it with a compatible switch and solder it securely. If you're not confident with soldering, consider hot swappable keyboards where switches can be pulled out and replaced easily. For large keys like spacebar or enter, stabilizers may become loose or squeaky. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease or lube to the stabilizer to restore smooth movement. Once repairs and cleaning are done, carefully reattach the keycaps. Plug the keyboard back in and test all keys to ensure everything works properly. With these steps, you can fix common mechanical keyboard issues like stuck keys, faulty switches, or stabilizer problems, all without replacing the entire keyboard. Proper maintenance and occasional repairs will keep your keyboard performing like new.
Thank you for watching my video.